Looking to run AI models locally and not sure which model file format to pick? Two of the hottest right now are Safetensors and GGUF. Today we'll explore what they are, key trade-offs, and which might be best depending on how and where you run your models. A quick disclaimer, this video follows YouTube's guidelines and is based on factual current sources. This is not professional advice. Always test with your own hardware and security considerations. Safetensors is a model weights format that stores just the tensor data in a safe, serialized format without embedded executable code. That means no Python serialized logic or scripts that could run maliciously when loading. It's used heavily in the Hugging Face community and others prioritizing data safety and compatibility. It supports sharding for very large models, and many raw or unquantized models are released in Safetensors. Loading speed is fairly good, though performance depends a lot on whether the front end supports efficient input-output or parallel loading. There are also tools like fast Safetensors to speed the deserialization process. GGUF or GPT Generic Unified Format is a newer format optimized for local inference, especially with quantized models via runtimes like llama.cpp and compatible front ends. It builds on GGML's legacy, more efficient loading, support for various quantization levels from 2-bit to 8-bit, metadata, memory mapping, easier single-file deployment. It's very lightweight in RAM or VRAM when quantized, making it possible to run larger models on more modest hardware. The catch is GGUF is mostly inference only. Training or fine-tuning generally still requires formats like Safetensors or other PyTorch-based formats. Also, converting models to GGUF may sometimes introduce compatibility issues or be less supported for exotic architectures. Now let's do a quick comparison. Choose Safetensors if you want safe, data-only weights. It's good for training or fine-tuning and has a broad framework compatibility. Choose GGUF if you want efficient quantized inference, lower RAM or VRAM usage, and single-file simplicity. If you plan to train or fine-tune models or need high precision, Safetensors is generally a safer and more flexible choice. If instead you're focused on running models locally for inference, especially with limited memory or VRAM, GGUF is often the better choice due to its quantization support and fast loading. Also keep an eye on security. Safetensors avoids risk of remote code inclusion. GGUF is safer than many older formats, but recent work, for example, Mind the Gap attacks, shows quantized formats aren't totally immune to adversarial or malicious injection in certain scenarios. Which format matters more to you? Max precision and training flexibility, or inference efficiency and low resource usage? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into local AI formats and tools. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.